On March 11, 2025, a powerful Mongolian cyclone unleashed a ferocious winter storm across Inner Mongolia and northeastern China, plunging the region into chaos.
太刺激了！幸好这后备箱有一个上工地干活的锹，车全都限制动不了了。
Manzhouli, a bustling trade hub in the Hulunbuir region. Winds howled at gusts of 9 to 11 on the Beaufort scale, driving a relentless barrage of snow that slashed visibility to mere meters. The city's streets, typically alive with a hum of commerce, were buried under a rapidly thickening blanket of snow, stranding vehicles and bringing life to a standstill. The blizzard struck with little mercy, piling snowdrifts high against buildings and clogging major roads.
3辆车。 市医院刮下来的，正好在市医院门口。
Emergency crews scrambled to free trapped drivers, their flashing lights barely piercing the whiteout conditions. Snowfall rates in Manzhouli exceeded forecasts, with some areas reporting over 25 centimeters by midday, a figure well beyond the 15 centimeters predicted in the China Meteorological Administration's yellow snowstorm alert.
哎呦我，这天不出来整顿火锅，白瞎这天了。
High winds tore at power lines, snapping poles and plunging neighborhoods into darkness. With temperatures nosediving into the double-digit negatives Celsius, the loss of electricity crippled heating systems in homes and businesses.
哎呦我天哪！哎呀妈呀，真冷啊！
分批走吧。 有人吗？有人吗？
Schools shut their doors, and the city's vibrant markets fell eerily silent under the weight of the snow. Manzhouli's rural fringes faced their own ordeal. Herders, vital to the region's economy, watched helplessly as snow swallowed pastures, leaving livestock without food or shelter.
快点，快点，抱孩子！
2025年3月12日，坐标内蒙古呼伦贝尔。今日暴雪啊！现在目前下了得有40公分，出行请小心，注意安全。
The wind-driven snow piled into drifts several feet high, forcing some to dig out their animals or herd them into cramped barns. Local officials launched relief efforts, distributing feed and fuel, but treacherous conditions slowed deliveries to a crawl.
这车还能误坐？
我
The cyclones reach extended far beyond Manzhouli, carving a path of destruction eastward. By the night of Tuesday, forecasters warned that the greater and lesser Shingon Mountains and the Sonin Plain would face a deluge of snow, with some pockets bracing for extreme blizzards dumping up to 30 centimeters or more.
哐哐掉粉不涨粉了，谢谢，这是谁呀送的这个粉丝灯牌，正在缓冲99.9，谢谢这位朋友，谢谢。
Heilongjiang's central and northern reaches were set to endure a brutal mix of deep snow and gale-force winds, threatening rural villages with isolation. Meanwhile, the northern Sichuanabet Plateau geared up for its own bout of heavy snow, adding to the cyclone's sprawling footprint. Authorities across these regions issued urgent calls for residents to stockpile food, water, and blankets, anticipating days of disruption. In Xinjiang, a separate but equally punishing saga unfolded. Since early March, the Tian Shan Mountains' northern slopes have been hammered by snowstorms, with Altai clocking a chilling 41 centimeters and Taching close behind at 31 centimeters.
红林雪共白头啊！
The Altai Mountains, however, stole the spotlight with snow depths topping 130 centimeters, a near-record haul that turned slopes into ticking time bombs for avalanches. As temperatures edged upward, experts sounded the alarm on snowmelt, predicting swollen rivers and flash floods that could swamp lowlands. Communities downstream, still digging out from the snow, now faced a looming double threat. Meteorologists projected the storm's intensity might wane by March 13th as it collided with warmer Pacific air, but not before leaving a lasting scar on the landscape and its people.
老铁们啊，给你们看看，看看这满洲里，满洲里下大雪了，瞅瞅这大雪，现在伴随着是6级大风的有，看看这东西。